Hey, good morning. We got about an hour and a half before the store opens, so hey, come with me. Well, folks, that's just a little bit of my routine there. You see, today we're not open until noon on Saturdays, and so that gave me this whole wonderful morning to get out and do something. And you know what? Really, running a store or a department, it can be a stressful job, you know what I'm saying? So it's important to take a little time to yourself. It's important to take some time for the mind, the body, the spirit. Get out in nature, that's what I find. And luckily, that is everywhere around here. This morning, just a quick little hike from the house there, from the store, and I'm out here in nature in this most beautiful spot, and I can do this in my whole little routine. Be back to the house in about an hour, get ready for work, and start doing that. So you know what a great way to start the day. Don't forget to bring some bug spray. Feeling good. Go north.